Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to replace an image in Base44. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to guide the tool to make the swap you want. Whether you're updating a logo, replacing a hero image, changing a product photo, or refreshing any visual asset inside your project, this workflow will help you make those changes quickly. Before we start, make sure you're signed in and have the replacement image ready on your computer. For best results, use a clear, high-resolution file and keep the aspect ratios similar to the image you're replacing. Preparing your image before uploading can save you time later. A properly sized image usually requires fewer adjustments and helps maintain a clean, professional look inside your project. First, open Base44 in your browser. Give the page a moment to load so the workspace and sidebar populate fully. This is your central hub where all your apps and assets live. Waiting for the workspace to fully load ensures all available options appear correctly and prevents confusion while navigating through the editor. Next, look to the left sidebar and click All Apps. This shows the projects available to you in your workspace. If you have a lot of apps, you can use the search bar at the top of the list to quickly find the one you need. The goal here is simply to land in the correct app where the image lives. Selecting the right project is important because changes made inside the editor will affect that specific app. Now, click on the app you want to edit. This opens the editor and preview area. You should see your project canvas in a live preview, so you can immediately spot changes as they happen. The live preview makes it easier to confirm that your update looks correct without needing to constantly switch between different screens. At the bottom left of the editor, click the plus sign. This opens the Add menu for new assets. If you don't see it right away, hover near the lower left corner. On some screens, it tucks slightly into the edge. This is where you'll bring your new image into the project. Choose Upload from Computer. This tells Base44 you want to bring in a file that's stored locally. If drag and drop is enabled in your browser, that can work too. But selecting Upload from Computer is the most reliable path and ensures the file picker opens. Uploading directly from your computer gives you more control over which file you're adding and helps avoid accidentally selecting the wrong asset. In the file picker, navigate to your image, select it, and click Open. Large files may take a moment, so give the upload a bit of time. A descriptive file name can help keep your asset library organized, especially if you work with multiple versions. For example, instead of keeping files with names like imagefinal2.png, use clear names like companylogodark.png or homepagebannerv2.png. This makes future updates much easier. Once the image is uploaded, type Change this into Logo in the prompt field. This brief instruction tells Base44's assistant to transform or treat the image as a logo asset, which usually implies a cleaner brand-ready look. When working with AI tools, simple and direct instructions usually work best. Avoid adding unnecessary details that could confuse the system about the exact change you want. Keep prompts short and specific so the system knows exactly what you want. Finally, click Send. Base44 will process the request and apply the change. Watch the preview update. You should see your new image reflected in place. If it doesn't appear right away, wait a few seconds or refresh the preview area. Sometimes updates may take a short moment because the system needs to process the asset and refresh the preview. Giving it a little time can help confirm whether the change was applied successfully. That's it. Your image has been replaced. Base44 typically saves changes automatically, so you can continue editing with confidence. You can now repeat the same process for other images, icons, or visual elements throughout your app. Keeping your assets updated and organized will help your final project look more polished and professional.